Would you rather? New Year's edition. Please remember to like and subscribe since it really helps out the channel. Also, comment your New Year's resolution down below. Let's go! Would you rather have a massive fireworks display or a laser light show at your New Year's party? Would you rather serve unlimited pizza or unlimited sushi at your New Year's celebration? Would you rather have a live band or a DJ at your party? Would you rather have a chocolate fountain or a champagne tower? Would you rather have a photo booth with props or a professional photographer at your party? Would you rather dance under a disco ball or a sky full of drones creating art? Would you rather offer a hot chocolate station or a fancy cocktail bar? Would you rather have a cozy pajama-themed party or a glamorous black tie event? Would you rather have glittery confetti or glowing sparklers for your midnight countdown? Would you rather have a dessert buffet or a savory snack station at your New Year's bash? Would you rather host a karaoke competition or a trivia contest? Would you rather celebrate New Year's in a snowy cabin or a luxury penthouse? Would you rather count down with family or with friends at a big event? Would you rather have a magician or a comedian perform at your New Year's party? Would you rather have party favors for everyone or an unforgettable live performance? Would you rather toast with champagne or sparkling cider at midnight? Would you rather eat 12 grapes, a traditional custom, or try a unique New Year's food from another culture? Would you rather have a themed party like the 1920s or a futuristic New Year's bash? Would you rather watch fireworks or light them yourself? Would you rather have a year filled with surprises or a year that goes exactly as planned? Would you rather have a karaoke machine or a giant dance floor at your party? Would you rather set up an ice cream sundae bar or a popcorn station for your guests? Would you rather have a masquerade party or a glow-in-the-dark theme? Would you rather count down to midnight with an epic playlist or a live concert? Would you rather serve gourmet sliders or mini tacos to your guests? Would you rather give everyone noisemakers or hats and tiaras for the celebration? Would you rather host the ultimate house party or attend a massive public event? Would you rather start the new year with a fun game night or a relaxing movie marathon? Would you rather serve elegant hors d'oeuvres or hearty comfort food? Would you rather have a bubble machine or a fog machine for the dance floor? Would you rather stay up all night with your friends or call it early and wake up refreshed? Would you rather decorate your party with gold and silver or vibrant neon colors? Would you rather eat a giant New Year's cake or enjoy a variety of cupcakes? Would you rather have a rooftop celebration or a backyard bonfire? Would you rather have a popcorn machine or a cotton candy machine at your party? Would you rather have a fortune teller or a photo astrologer at your New Year's event? Would you rather host a countdown on your balcony or in your living room? Would you rather create a New Year's vision board or write resolutions together with guests? Would you rather provide glow sticks or LED bracelets for everyone? Would you rather have unlimited music requests or a surprise celebrity guest?